So I decided to choose the Miss Myers Clean Day Lemon Verbena Scented Hand Soap. Lemon verbena originated in Argentina and Chile. It is a tropical perennial shrub, and it's linked to having a clear lemon-like scent, which is how it got the nickname the lemon verbena, even though it's like a floral, herbally kind of plant. And those are the same kind of scents that it gives off. The lemon is nice and subtle, but there is like a little bit of like an herbally kind of base. Miss Myers products are super natural, so just kind of picture like a homemade soap by someone you know who's really into like holistic products. That's kind of what it reminds me of. It definitely reminds me of just a really breezy field or walking through a garden or like a farmer's market. It's subtle enough, but it makes you feel like really refreshed and a little energized too because of the lemon. So the next thing I found was this Art of Shaving shaving cream with sandalwood. And the sandalwood actually originated in India and Australia, and it was harvested from santalum trees, and it's used actually in Hinduism to cleanse the air. It has like a really fresh and bright smell, even though it has kind of like a woodier undertone. It's definitely something that I would consider to be like a more masculine scent. And it's definitely like a very popular base scent for a lot of male fragrance, just because it kind of reminds me of like the outdoors, but it also has like this really crisp smell too. But it's bright and refreshing, but still kind of, I'd say, natural smelling too.
La culture bio de la verveine, pour nous, ça a été une évidence. L'objectif pour nous, c'est d'essayer d'être le plus proche possible de la plante au quotidien. Donc vous êtes en permanence en train d'essayer de nettoyer le pied, en train de sentir la plante elle-même. Vous êtes en permanence aussi en train de la scruter, de la regarder. Les caractéristiques et les exigences de la verveine font que c'est une plante qui correspond tout à fait aux conditions climatiques de la Provence. Les relations personnelles qu'il a pu y avoir entre l'équipe occitane et nous-mêmes ont été absolument fabuleuses, quoi, avec des gens d'une passion et d'une compétence qui sont extraordinaires. À travers l'eau florale se retrouvent les caractéristiques olfactives que vous retrouvez sur la plante elle-même. Citronné, ce côté aussi feuilles froissées. C'est un produit d'une extrême pureté.
I carry your heart with me. I carry it in my heart. I'm never without it. Do you remember we read this before?
And whatever is done by only me is your doing, my darling.
Here's the deepest secret that nobody knows.
Oh, they're looking for you.
Here's the root of the root and the bud of the bud.
The sky of the sky.
Of a tree called life.
Which grows higher than the soul can hope or mind can hide.
And this is the wonder that's keeping the stars apart.
I carry your heart.
I carry it in my heart.